Hi guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video. We have This is just gorgeous. I love this packaging. I always keep it and I always label all my boxes so I know which bag goes with which box, and I put it on my shelf. So let's unwrap this. I did wrap this up for you guys because I'm a crazy person. All right, so I've gotten that ribbon off. It's that beautiful white thick cotton ribbon with the Chanel on it. And then you've got the gorgeous black Chanel tissue paper and the gorgeous little dust bag. And can you guess which bag I got? I'll give you a hint. I only recently bought one of these, and now I've bought another one in a different color. Ta-da! Oh, she's so beautiful. So this is, it doesn't actually officially have a name, but it's the mini flap bag from Chanel, and it's their new design with the top handle. I have to tell you guys that the flap design has never been something that I've been interested in. Because I'm a top handle person, I love bags with top handles. I love holding them by the top handle. And that was what was missing for me when it came to all the Chanel flap bags. Now, when I saw these coming out recently for this season, I just gasped. I was like, yes, yes, yes. I recently got in the green, which is that one there. But I have to say that green is quite a hard color to wear. I love it, but you can't wear it all the time because unless you're a real green person that you wear green every single day, which I know some people are, I find that I just can't wear that one every day. It's more of an occasional bag because of the color. I also wanted to check out this color. I don't have a lot of silver bags. I do have a Diamante one here, and I do have my Bulgari one, and I've got a Jacquemus little kind of silver one, but they're all kind of different and they're not quite like this. This is in the caviar leather, so it's in that, you know, scratch resistant leather. It's got the beautiful pocket at the back. And another thing I really love about this colorway is that it's silver on silver, and it's quite a neutral. It's a real cool bag to style with because it's really interesting, it's shiny, it's silver. I have seen the silver trendy CCs that are out at the moment online at the Chanel store and also online, and they are beautiful. They look really beautiful. I don't know how many silver bags I need in my collection. I don't think I need that many because I don't think it's one of those neutral, timeless bags that you're probably going to be wearing for 20 years. I think this is quite seasonal. So the strap is beautiful and weighty, and it also is threaded with the caviar leather in the silver. This strap does not have a leather piece on the top like my white pearl flap bag. Not that one, but it's like a mini white one. I'll just grab it for you. This one. Like this one, I thought that it might have this little leather strap. But because the bag is so small, I don't think it really needs it. So I'll let you know how I go with how this feels and if it digs in or anything like that. It's got the beautiful CC lock, and it does not have the little Chanel stamp, okay? And I do find that when bags get small like this size and smaller, they don't have the stamped Chanel that you get with the larger bags, if you know what I mean. It's in the logo, the Chanel stamp on the side of one of the C's. That's what I'm talking about. Even on the pearl bag, it's not on that pearl bag either. So yeah, it's kind of for larger bags, I think. I think it's because it's harder to put the stamping, the engraving, because it's so small. When you open it, it's just one big pocket. Really space age color, this silver, but this type of, you know, matte kind of silver, if that makes sense. It's not mirrored, it's kind of a matte finish. And there is the flap at the back in Chanel here, and also the zip. And on the zipper it says Chanel, and then there's the logo on the other side, exactly how it should be. And then the little zipper pocket. But guys, this is such a fun little bag. I've teamed it up today with pink and black and white because I just find that pink with this silver color is just gorgeous. I think mint would be beautiful too. Lilac and purples, even denim would work really, really well with this style bag. Well, this colorway. I think it's super cute, and I think I'm actually going to get more use out of this than the green one, purely because of the color. I find that this color is so much easier to style. I'm really interested to see how this leather wears. I've had other caviar leather before, but I've never had it in a silver or like a light color like this. So yeah, I'm super interested. I mean, it looks like it's going to be really, really durable. The back is beautiful when it comes to the quilting. You can sort of see they did a great job with lining up the lines. It's just iconic. Now, there's no puffiness down the bottom of the quilt. It's just on the top and front and back flat. Not even on the sides, that's quite flat as well. Something I have to tell you guys is that these straps are not detachable, so they are there with you for life. I think also this handle needs a little bit of wear because it is on the stiff side and it's sort of a little bit stiff in shape. I'd like it to be a little bit more round maybe on the edges. The hardware is all beautiful. Like I mentioned, the chain is really weighty. It does have a lot of quality to the chain, but you do have to be careful with Chanel straps, even these ones, because they can twist, and they can twist really, really badly, and they can get really out of control. So what I would suggest to you guys is, if you are contemplating on this and you don't want the strap to be fussy, I wouldn't go for this bag. But if you're willing to put up with it, I would just try and make sure you untangle the straps. Every time they get kinked, you kind of sit there and untangle them. And then they should be right long term. Otherwise, they will just get out of control, I believe, and then it just gets way too hard to untwist. Then you get the leather kind of bubbling and lumping, and then you sort of don't know why that's happening. This bag is definitely bigger than my white Chanel pearl flat bag. That's my iPhone 12 mini, so I have a mini iPhone. The larger iPhones would definitely fit, and there's a lot of depth in the bag, so you can sort of see there my phone's in there, and there's quite a bit of room. I can fit quite a bit in there. I could definitely put some makeup in here, as well as my wallet. This is my large pearl. I just got this straight out of my bag. The Mermaid finish pearl wallet. This is a larger size phone case, and I'm gonna see. Ooh, it might be a little bit tight, guys. No, it's not tight at all. It's just a little bit high. You can sort of see it's doing that, but it's still gonna close because there is a little bit of height in the front. So that wallet fits perfectly fine. So I wouldn't need to change that out, but I would probably want to change it out if I'm using this bag, so that I can just take a little card holder and then I can fit some more things in, like keys and maybe a lipstick, hand sanitizer, a mask, you know, all this kind of essential items. Whereas now I could fit them, but they will be tight and I probably can't fit any makeup in there. every day. I could definitely wear something like this every day. I can always size down, and I'm great at sizing down, and I used to do it for years and years and years. These days, because of work and keeping my diary and notebook on me at all times, I'd probably opt for a larger size bag just so that I can carry those extra things. You can see me hand holding this, and you can see that you can't really put it in the crook of your arm. It is not comfortable to do that. So really the only option is hand holding or on the shoulder, which you guys will see, or crossbody. I think this bag is great crossbody. It is a short crossbody, I do have to warn you. So if you are super tall, this might not be a great bag for you to wear crossbody. But for me, I'm small, short, you know, at 5'3", and you can sort of see where it sits on me. There you go, guys. I hoped you liked this video. It is a new, modern, interesting bag, I think. A classic bag with a modern twist is what I mean with the top handle. I think it is a great addition. I would love this in a white, maybe to replace my pearl bag, or I've actually been thinking about the larger size in the pearl bag, maybe in a black. Just because I feel like I love that pearl bag. It doesn't have a top handle, I know. That is my hesitation, but I do have some bags in my collection that I make exceptions for when it comes to top handles like this. There you go, guys. I hoped you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do bag videos every week, at least twice a week, and I'm also very prominent on Instagram, so you can always follow me there. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.